welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to create an About Us page on Shopify. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up your Shopify admin and you'll get right here. On Shopify, we can very easily create different pages and I'll show you how to create an About Us page. For that, you can open up your Shopify admin. You will get right here. Click on Online Store. In your online store, you will get different options. We have theme, blog post, and pages. You have to click on pages, which is the third option. Then you can see we have all the pages that we created on our website. To add a new page, you can click right here. We can actually add any kind of page we want to with this option. So if you want to create a contact us page, about us page, FAQs, you can create it from here. So I'm going to call it About Us. This is going to be the name. And then we have to enter the content for our page. Here I can of course add the text. We can change our formatting, alignments, and then we have our table. So we can add images, videos, and links too. I will be doing is I'm just going to paste some of the text that I wrote for our About Us page, and it will be the content for our page. Once you're done with the content, you can select the visibility. You can select the theme. Click on save and your About Us page will be created on Shopify. So if I take you back now, you can see we have an About Us page. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.